So let's say I have this Windows operating system. This is a fairly new Windows operating system. So till now I have only connected to one Wi-Fi password. So I'm going to just click on this internet access icon here and then click on open network and internet settings. And I can see here that I have on this Windows operating system have connected to this Wi-Fi network. But if you have ever connected to let's say 5 or 10 Wi-Fi networks and you have entered those password on your Windows 10 operating system, then you will see the list of all the networks you have previously connected to here. So let's say you have connected to 3 Wi-Fi network. One is in your home, one is in your office, and other is in your friend's house or whatever. All the password have been saved on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see how to find out all those Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 10 operating system. So for this, what you need to do is you need to open the command prompt. So for opening the command prompt, you can go to the search bar and then click on CMD here. So here, once this command prompt option opens, you just need to right click on this option and then run as administrator. Okay, so you need to open the command prompt as administrator. So once your command prompt is open as an administrator, what you need to do is you need to give this command first of all. So I'm going to just copy this command. I'm also going to paste this command in the description of the video also, so you can directly copy it. So just paste this command on your command prompt, which is net sh wlan show profile, and then I'm going to press enter here, and it's going to show you all the networks which you have connected to using this Windows operating system. So as I have mentioned, I have only connected to only one network, which is this network. But if you have previously connected to several networks, all the list of the networks will be displayed here in this command prompt. So now I have the list of networks. Now I'm going to give the second command, which is this command, which is net sh wlan export profile space folder is equal to c:\\. So all the password related files will be saved in your C directory. If you want to change this folder location, you can change this folder location from here also, and then space key is equal to clear, and then I'm going to just press enter, and you can see it shows this message, which is interface profile wlan, which is the name of my network, is saved in the file C, and then the file name will be this one. Okay, if you have multiple networks listed here, then you will see multiple files will be created in your C directory. So now I'm going to go to my C directory. So let's go to our C directory, and you can see this file is created here. So you can just open this file by just double clicking on this file, and then you can choose the app which you want to use to open it. So let's use Notepad to open this XML file. So once this file opens, you need to search for a key called key material. Okay, so just search for this key, and whatever is here in between this key tag will be your password. So this is my Wi-Fi's password, which I'm going to change in a bit. So this is how you can find out all the saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 operating system. So as I have said, that if you have connected to multiple Wi-Fi networks using your Windows 10, then you will see multiple files here, and then see your Wi-Fi password in that XML file.